Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to log into Knives Out game on your smartphone. If you want to sign into Knives Out and start playing immediately, first of all make sure that you've downloaded and installed the game on your device. Once you're inside this page, go ahead and tap on one of these login options. You can log in via Mailbox, Apple, Guest, and with these other options available on the screen. I'm just gonna tap on the Facebook login option for now. Click on continue after you do that. If you've selected any other login options, then you will need to enter your credentials according to your selection. Make sure you provide information correctly. If you've chosen Facebook, then make sure to type in your Facebook account's login credentials correct. And then once you have done that, tap on this open button. Now click on the continue button from the Facebook profile and then you will be able to sign in. After a successful login, the game will load your profile and save data. Now you can enjoy your Knives Out adventure. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.